right now.
Look at this.
Or anything yet.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
pretty cool. We bought it for all for friends for $1,500.
And
I put tires on it. I gave it a tune-up. You know. Yeah.
wow.
Yeah, we've been all over
Our
it.
first trip was to Florida, and the only problem we had was we didn't get brakes.
Yeah.
It had been sitting for like 10 years or more,
Yeah.
and hadn't been moved, and that was the only thing we had problem with. So
Yeah.
that's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow, that was.
That engine. What'd you say it was?
360.
360?
4-barrel.
4-barrel? Big
Wow.
8. Big 8.
Yeah.
Big
Big
8, right?
Yeah, V8.
Shit.
It's a big old beast.
And you only got 88,000?
Yeah.
It's gonna go for a long time.
Yeah, that's why I keep gawking
big
you guys
engine.
every time I go by there. I'm like wanting to stop.
We're just what was it, about 3 years ago?
Yeah.
When we first came here. First time we ever been to it. We didn't have that then. And we just drove our regular van.
Mhm.
And we kind of set this up, and we just got that. We started bringing that.
Yeah, that's amazing.
We got a good deal on it, though. My daughter-in-law's husband owned it.
So does everything still work? The AC and everything, the heater?
You step in there, it's cold.
The
Wow.
refrigerator in there don't work, so we got another one, but we got to remodel to get it in there.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
one's a this is a little bit bigger than what's in there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But, I
wow.
mean, it's got the bed in the back. It's got the table, but we got it down as a bed.
Uh-huh.
And then
Yeah,
up
that's how
above-
I would have it.
And we up above there, we use that for like our closet. You know, put
Sure.
our clothes up there and stuff. Keep it
Uh-huh.
out of the way.
Nice.
Yeah.
Just there.
See, I'm in a minivan. I turned my minivan into a camper van.
Yeah.
And so now I'm looking to upgrade.
Oh, they're fun. A
And
lot of fun with it.
and
We recently just bought that generator, plugged right into it.
Nice.
you
Okay.
know.
that sounds nice. Yeah, because I can't. I don't want to drive anything, pull anything behind me. Because no, that's not just for me. It's not for me.
Oh, I could do that too. It's got a tow package. It's got air shocks.
It's
on
got the
back.
engine.
Oh yeah.
Definitely got the engine.
No, it's got the
Yeah.
motor for it. I mean,
Oh,
yeah, I'll
yeah.
be cruising down the road, look down at the speedometer, and I'm up at 80. You know, and I'm
Wow.
back down.
That's amazing.
One bad thing about it is,
Well, I definitely want something.
Yeah.
so I think what we're going to do, I came up with this idea last night, we was going to make the bed bigger down here, and then I thought, that's not that far to climb.
Or we
So
could just-
I think we're going to put an extension on it where it pulls out and makes the full bed up on top.
And
we
then
use the
slide it
bottom
back
to
in
remodel.
when we're done. You know, because there's a couple tracks, not tracks, but they're like
Railings?
wood things, railings on
Yeah.
the sides.
Yeah.
That's a decorative. You know, it's covered in leather or whatever. The whole top of it is all leather. It is. It's pretty slick.
Wow. I'm just being nosy, sorry.
Well, the price is right.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Are you sure?
Yeah, go right ahead.
Sell it to anybody else.
Oh
And he
my
would just
goodness.
Oh,
Oh, okay. Yeah, because I need something bigger than the minivan.
Watch your
'Cause-
head when you step up.
Okay. I'm short. Oh, yeah. See, this is just all I need. I don't need that much.
It's like us. We don't need that much.
Yeah.
It's just us. You know.
Yeah. I don't need that much. Yeah, that's amazing. Does that seat
Spins
swivel
all
out?
the way.
Yeah.
Turns all the way around.
Yeah. Yeah,
Total swivels.
I wouldn't need that much. Like I said, I wouldn't need that. I wouldn't need too much.
Here, step on over so you can see it.
Okay. Oh, and I love your walking sticks.
Oh yeah, found those in the woods.
Yeah, see, I would just need. See, I don't really need that much, Tony.
All right.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that oldie but goodie bus tour. And the next tour we're going to go on to is I Found the Magic Bus at Hippie Magic. So please stay tuned to the next video. And as always, Tina's the Outsider is out. Take care. Press the like and comment and subscribe if you need to. Check you out later. See ya. Peace out.